The Hollister Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter System features touch-free technology, allowing you to catheterize with confidence and helping to support your independence. The unique touch-free introducer tip helps reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. The system's integrated collection bag not only collects urine, it also helps shield the catheter from environmental contamination. To use the Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter System, first gather your supplies: the Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter System and mild soap and water or some antiseptic cleansing pads, or whatever you have been taught to use for cleaning your genital area. Next, peel open the packaging for the Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter System. Now wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Dry your hands with a clean towel. Next, pick up the Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter and remove the red ring cap from the tip of the catheter. Hold the gel reservoir in one hand. With your other hand, move the tip of the catheter forward until it fills the inside of the introducer tip. Make sure the tip of the catheter doesn't protrude through the introducer tip. Set the catheter aside on its opened packaging, taking care not to contaminate the sterile introducer tip. Hold your penis in one hand in an upright position. If you are not circumcised, first pull back your foreskin. Next, clean the glands of your penis and around the opening to your urethra by using soap and water or antiseptic cleansing pads. Now, with your other hand, pick up the Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter. Insert the introducer tip completely until the base comes into contact with your urethral opening. Keep the introducer tip in place, and if you are not circumcised, release your foreskin. As you advance the catheter through your urethra, the length of the catheter becomes lubricated as it passes through the gel reservoir. If you need additional lubrication, simply squeeze the gel reservoir to apply more gel to the catheter. If you would like more control of the catheter's integrated collection bag, simply hold the bag by its oversized integrated handle. Periodically, you may need to pull backward on the collection bag to help you advance the catheter into your urethra. As you pull backward on the bag, gently squeeze the gel reservoir to help prevent the catheter from being withdrawn from your urethra. The Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter is designed to help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by limiting environmental contamination. It is thought that the greatest concentration of bacteria in the urethra is found within the first 15 millimeters. As you advance the catheter, its unique introducer tip helps keep the catheter from coming into contact with bacteria and helps prevent bacteria from being pushed through your urethra into your bladder. You may feel some resistance as the catheter passes through your prostate gland just before entering your bladder. Try to relax and continue to insert the catheter forward. Once the catheter is inside your bladder, the urine will begin to flow. The urine will flow out of your bladder through the catheter tubing and will collect in the urine collection bag. Hold the catheter tubing in place until the flow of urine stops. Then withdraw the catheter slightly, about 1 inch, to make sure your bladder has emptied completely. Finally, withdraw the catheter tubing. To empty the collection bag, simply tear the bag at the perforation and drain the urine into a toilet. Never flush the catheter down a toilet. Dispose of the catheter properly along with the product packaging. Finally, wash your hands with soap and water. The Advance Plus Intermittent Catheter System, featuring touch-free technology. Confidence, pure and simple.